Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So, woo! As you guys can see, your girl is serving volume, very much body, very much all that. Okay. If you guys want to know how I got my hair like this, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. This was a really quick, fast, easy install because it is a T-part shaped wig. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can watch the video and see how I got this look. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you, Wignee, for sending me this beautiful wig. And make sure you guys go in the description box to get the direct link to this wig and all the other information about this company. Enjoy the video. All right, so I'm going to be unboxing a wig for you guys. This is the box it came in. It came with the wig net, and it also came with a pair of lashes. This is the wig right here. This is their little tag that they had on the wig. Like I told you guys, this is a T-part shape wig, so you don't really get too much space. But I'm going to show you guys how to finesse it, okay? So it looks like a frontal. I'm bleaching the knots, so this is what I use to bleach the knots. I'm 40 volume developer and any type of blue tone bleach. Mix that together. I'm going to put that on not the frontal, the lace for I put it for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes. You just want to make sure you watch it and make sure it bleaches. And then this is how it looked. And then I'm going to be using my purple shampoo to tone the knots. And I left that purple shampoo on there for about 20 minutes before washing it out. So I just want to show you guys the difference between the plucked side versus the unplugged side. Being that this is a T-part shape wig, you guys don't get a lot of space to plug, but you guys can still finesse it as you guys seen that I did. If you guys want a video of me plucking a T-part wig, let me know in the comments down below because I didn't show you guys how I plucked my wig. But we're getting ready for the installation. I'm using the ball cap method. This method is a very popular method that pretty much, I don't want to say everybody uses, but most people use. This is my new Got To Be spray. I suggest that everybody go and buy this spray. I'm telling you, if you guys use Got To Be spray, you guys should definitely invest in this Got To Be spray because it's not sticky at all. And I feel like it's way better than the other Got To Be spray, the original Got To Be spray. So make sure you guys go check your local beauty supply store for that spray. But I'm going to be drying it here and then I'm going to get ready to cut it. I actually used a few layers of Got To Be spray to make sure that the wig cap was on there. This is also an important step, so I'm going to be taking some foundation and applying that all over my wig cap. You guys can use powder, but I didn't have any powder, so that's why I'm using foundation. I just cut the wig cap down the middle, and then we're going to just cut all that extra wig cap off that we definitely do not need. I'm just taking some of that foundation and tinting the lace a little bit, as you guys can see. Once I put it on, I was just trying to figure out how it fits my head and stuff like that and cut off all the extra lace and extra parts that didn't fit like around my ears and stuff like that. And I actually find it easier to cut the lace before applying the glue, as you guys see I'm doing here. So I'm just cutting the lace, and you want to cut as close. You want to cut as much lace off as possible, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to be cutting the lace off, and then I'm going to be applying the glue, and you guys are going to see that whole process. As you guys see, this side is already glued down fully. I'm gonna be gluing down the next side. Boom, transition. Yeah. But the whole wig is glued down now. I'm gonna be parting the wig in the middle because this is a T-part shaped wig for the 100th time. So the only part you can possibly do is a middle part, a deep middle part at that. So I'm just gonna be going in with my hot comb, trying to get the wig as flat as possible. And for the rest of the video, all you're gonna see me doing is doing the edges. I actually decided to do like a little swoop, trying to make the wig flat, and then I'm actually going to be curling the wig. So I'm not going to talk for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys at the end. right, guys, so that's the end of my video. This is how the hair came out. Like, whoop. Let me show y'all. First of all, it has so much volume. Like, look how flowy it is. Like, ooh. Show y'all. Ooh. All right, guys, so this is how the hair came out. It came out really nice. I'm literally in love with this. Like, I haven't had my hair like this in a really long time, and it looks really good. As you guys can see, it's looking like a real life closure, like, period. I told you guys seen at the beginning of the video that this is a T-part shape wig, okay? So you guys only get the middle part and the sides, which it looks like you guys are wearing a frontal, but you guys are really not. It's really like a closure frontal, really. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I want to thank Wignee so much for this opportunity to be working with them and, you know, showing off this wonderful hair they have to offer. All the links to the company's information will be in the description box down below. Also, the direct link to this wig will also be in the description down below. Make sure you guys go check it out and send me some pictures. Show me what you guys tag me in y'all pictures with the hair. I want to see what y'all working with. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all my social media platforms. Comment down below any other videos you guys want me to do or any other hairstyles you guys would like me to try. Make sure you guys hit that post notification bell when you guys subscribe, or really follow me on Instagram because YouTube be tripping. And until next time, Dizzy out.
I feel roll up this dirty, won't fall with no pill. Young nigga come from the hill, won't show emotions but feelings be real. I say, baby, yo, what's the deal? Phone in my pocket right next to the scale.